Hey guys, long time no see. I hope everybody is doing well. I figured I'd hop on here and give this camera a go and try it out and talk to you guys. It's been a minute. It's been forever. I look like a hot mess because of this quarantine that's going on at the moment. But I figured I have a little chit chat with you guys and show you some things that I have been ordering because being quarantined, I've been pretty shopping a lot. So let's see what we can. So I needed a new UV lamp because mine took a it just went bananas, and I've had that UV lamp for a pretty long time. So I've been ordering, I ordered from Amazon, but it took forever and a decade to get here because of what's going on. And so yeah, so the first thing I got was, it was a set that it was a UV lamp with some gel polish. So this is what the lamp looks like. And if anything, I can just leave the link down below. But I don't remember exactly what the prices were. But I just needed just a regular lamp. And it comes with your charger. And it's packaged pretty well. So that was a set with the Beatles line. And I already see a problem. So I can tell that one of my polishes exploded. And not only did I wait a long time for this, but now I have to put in a claim and email them because, yeah, it just exploded. So these are the colors. I'm not going to take them out because, as you can see, this one is the one that got messed up. So I will be contacting the company and let them know that there was an accident in the package because it got all over my hands. And I also wanted to, because I've been dipping lately, and I've been practicing on my nails, because when you go to cosmetology school, not every school they all teach differently. So I was only able to get, like, I learned about nails, but I didn't learn about acrylics or anything like that. So I'm self-teaching myself, and I have been since I was very long before I've been doing YouTube. But I just ordered just a regular top coat from Beatles. It's the company. And this is a matte top coat. So it was a set. And this is your base coat. So these little three came together. And there's no problem with those, thank God. And then this is the little booklet that it comes with from Beatles, the company. And this is, I believe, this also came with the set, this little bag. So it came with some foot separators, your little brush cleaner. You have a little brush. You have a gel, cuticle oil, a cuticle remover. You have some clippers, nail toe clippers, or, to cut your nails. And then a cuticle pusher, a file, and I believe this is 100, 180. And this is just like another nail file. I believe this is like a buffer because it's rough on one side and it's smooth on the other side. So that's what came in that package. And I've been watching a lot of videos from, I think her name is Marla Kris. I don't quote me. I can link down her information, but she actually did a video on these gel polishes, and I figured, you know, why not try it out. And I also saw it on another YouTube video because I've been watching a lot of like YouTube videos. But this is from a company called Nail Addicts. So this is just your regular top coat because I needed something that's like a no wipe top coat, because I hate curing and then not being able to, like, you would have to wipe it. That's a pain in the butt, especially if you do it on clients. So I needed something quick and easy and out the door. This one's called Wonderland, and that's what it looks like. And I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's like a really nice, like a really different green. It's really pretty. And then this one is called Endless Night. It's so freaking pretty. I hope you guys can see that, but it's really, really sparkly. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm outside, so if you guys hear dogs and birds and you name it, that's why. And in that package from Amazon, I also ordered the Gershion, the poly nail gel extension kit. So this is what it looks like, and you get a whole bunch of little stuff in here, because I had also ordered from another company that's poly gel, but it didn't come with all this stuff. So this comes also with a file that looks like it's been used. Another company I'm gonna have to send an email to. But you get a base coat, top coat, you get some rhinestones, you get your cuticle picker, rhinestone picker, the thing that you pick up the rhinestones and all that stuff, gems, whatever you call that tool. You get a surface, nail cleaner surface, and then the colors in nail extension 005 and 006. So this is what this one looks like. And the other thing that it comes in is you get these nail forms where you can like put the poly gel in here and you can put it on. So I have to look at how you do it, because I've never played with poly gel, but I figured I order it and give it a go. Why not, especially with me being in quarantine. You get your these nail forms if you want to like just put it on your nail, and if you're a professional, because I'm like, again, I may be a professional, but I'm self-taught, so technically I'm still a beginner. So you get your little a booklet here, you get a card, and then more colors that come in are 004, 003, 002, and 001. And you also got the brush that you can use with the kit. So yeah, I figured I'd just hop on here and, you know, say hello, because I know it's been a very long time. And I've been getting so much like nail inspiration to like do like nails and stuff like that. And I was talking to the other YouTuber, and I mentioned it to her that, I used to do videos, and I stopped because many reasons. One, I didn't really have internet, and with having the baby, it was kind of hard to like have free time or do anything. And after I got my cosmetology license, I just became insanely busy, so it's been tough. And now that I have so much free time, I'm able to do a lot more. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I can post more videos. Not promising anything. It's pretty hard. And a lot of the reasons, there was so much that happened in my life. I'm in a different location. Yeah, it's just a lot. So I hope everybody is doing well. You guys take care of yourself. Be safe out there. And look forward to talking to you guys. See you next time. Bye.